So we have a very, very special announcement. I think it's going to be one of the highlights of my young adult life. I don't know. So Rachel is going to tell you a little backstory about this thing called Hope House.
So Hope House is an orphanage in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and I've been there twice with our church, The Bridge. We go to basically help with the orphans. We do outreaches usually, but this trip that we're planning to go on is a little bit different. So Hope House recently was told that their land was going to get sold out from under them. So they found new land by the grace of God, but it's all forest. So right now they're working on clearing all the forest out, but they have only until June to build an entire orphanage for 100 orphans.
Right.
So our church decided to hopefully scrounge up some people to go out to Thailand and do a construction mission trip. And as you guys know, I've been twice, so my heart is in Thailand already. So I was like, I'm definitely going. But Nick actually got chosen by one of our youth pastors and was like, he really needs to go.
This is going to be a trip. Instead of an outreach, it's actually going to be, it's kind of considered an outreach, but it's going to be more of a hands-on, like get it down and dirty, build stuff kind of thing, which is why they recruited me, having a painting background. If you haven't seen the vlogs by now, go check them out. So one of the really cool things that we'll be doing while we're there in Chiang Mai, Thailand, is we are going to be building a boys' dormitory, which is like a concrete slab foundation, basically 4 walls and a roof and a bathroom. But it's going to be able to house, I think, like 20-something boys.
It'll be more than that.
20 to 40 or something like that, just boys. Like they have 70 at the orphanage. 77 at the orphanage. If you saw me do like that, it was because there was a cat hair floating and I grabbed it and ninja'd that right out of the, because cats and teddy bears and whatnot.
Stop.
Yeah. So anyway, that's the point of this. We have an account. It's like a GoFundMe account, but it's called
One Mission is the website.
One Mission. It's the same thing. You can go and you can donate. You can give. Anything would help.
Yeah.
$1, a quarter, $100, $1 million. If you want to pay for the entire nation of Thailand and you watch these vlogs, let me know, because your boy is trying to pay for college. But no, that's why we're doing this. We just wanted to make a quick little vlog. We're going to attach it. We're going to link the website down low in the description of this video. So go check it out. Hopefully you'll be able to get there. If you don't, leave a comment telling us that you're having trouble. And if you don't have trouble, then that's awesome. We're super excited to be going to Thailand, and we hope that you guys will support us as friends and family, and as a viewer of this vlog channel, because we just started out.
Also, even if you can't make a donation at all, your prayers are definitely needed for us as a team, for Thailand as a country, for Hope House as an orphanage or as a missionary. We all really need your prayers and your support.
Yeah.
So even if you can't support us financially, we would really love your support in prayer too.
Yeah, so I've never been the farthest north in the United States I've been, like traveling wise, is Maryland. And then the farthest south I've ever been is like the North and South Carolina border. And then I've only ever made one trip, and that was to San Diego and then back to here. So I've literally never been anywhere other than those like 5 points. So I don't travel often. And then all of a sudden my church, one of my youth pastor, he comes to me and he says, "Hey, you're going to Thailand." And I'm like, "Hey, okay."
Okay.
So
it'll be fine though, because
I'm excited. It's going to be it's going to stretch me a little bit, but
I'm a seasoned vet, so it's okay.
Yeah.
We can get through this together.
Yeah. So if you feel moved, or if you feel led to donate or give any sort of, monetary blessing to send us to Thailand, then please check out the link below. And if you don't feel any need to, then pray. And if you don't believe in God, then we will pray for you because God loves you whether you believe in him or not.
This is true.
Yeah, and he's always going to have your best interest in mind. So, that being said, this is still my cat. She didn't want to be in this video until we started shooting it. So, thank you.
Pizza. She hates it.
And this is still a giant teddy bear.
You're not gonna put the bear in the video.
I'm gonna put the bear in the video, and I'm
Why?
gonna put that in the video.
Aw, Pito, no.